Hi, it's Benjamin with Safe Drive Solutions. Today we're going to talk about two-channel dash cameras. So first, let's see what all the components are. So the first couple things is front camera, rear camera, cable, and your power cable. These are all the parts that typically come in the box. So now let's look at the front camera. So front camera here, a lot of people think is massive. So as you can see right next to my iPhone 12 Pro Max, it really isn't that big. It's actually quite small. So this is very easy to tuck and hide behind a rear view mirror, or depending on the vehicle, put it up high on the windshield. There's a lot of different places that it can be mounted. Now, a lot of people get confused in terms of like, how do you mount this on the windshield? So right here you can see there's 3M tape right here, and this literally just slides sideways just like that and comes off. So if you ever need to take it off the windshield, you can. You ever need to replace it, there's always extra tape typically in the box, or if you throw the box out, sometimes people do that, you just get some new 3M tape or double-sided adhesive that you can stick on this, and just like that, voila, should be problem solved, right? Okay, now looking at how we actually hook up the front camera to the rear camera, because a lot of people think that it's magical, and it is, I guess, for me. Basically, this is a micro USB, plugs right in, and it plugs right into this unit here, and that's actually how the two of them talk to each other. It's right here, right through this cable. So that's all it's needed, and you don't need any other thing other than it needs to be wired. But all the power wire and everything gets hooked up directly to the front unit. Okay, so the front unit actually takes your power cable. So the power cable gets plugged in here. Okay, depending on how you're installing it, right? And as you can see here, you have ground, you have accessory, and you have constant 12 volt, right? So all three of these wires are what's needed to hook up, especially if you want to get parking mode. Okay. Now for some do-it-yourselfers that maybe, they're not good at finding the wires, they don't have the certain tools that are needed to do it, they don't have the testing equipment to verify that the wiring is correct, that's where it comes in. You can actually plug in OBD2 connector. So this will actually plugged in. So typically every vehicle has this under the dash, unless you got a really older vehicle, right? And basically it just plugs right in. Okay. And this cable typically we've tested it and it's worked with all ThinkWare, current ThinkWare units, all iRoad, and all GNet dash cameras at this time. And we've tested it with all of the current units that we're carrying. Okay. So that kind of sums up, gives you an idea of a two-channel dash camera. And one last thing, everybody also asks, where does it get recorded? Well, all these units, they have a little SD card slot here. All the units we sell actually come with an SD card as well. So as you can see there, just a little SD card. You take that, it just gets slotted in, and then you use like your phone to actually download those videos directly to your phone. So that's it for two-channel dash cameras. Any questions? Leave your comments below.